Margaritaville at sea. Ocean view room. First walk in, they have ample storage space, life jackets, blow dryer, Bible, refrigerator, have wine that costs $30, water that costs $5 a piece, storage space, room, shower. It's not all that big, but I guess you can make it do. Sink space, toiletries, towels, desk area, more storage space in the closet. Oh, this is a whole nother bed. So if you were to pull this down, you would get a whole nother bed. Looks like it falls down. And they have the room decorated.
Oh, hello Paradise Cruisers, Alejandra here in the microphone, just to remind you that we have our welcome aboard lunch. It's been served on deck number 10.
And of course it hasn't sailed yet.
Port of
Out of the port.
If you are feeling a little hungry,
It was it was sprinkling and stuff with the rain. So we are still inside the port in West Palm Beach, Florida.
They are located on deck number 9. So if you haven't been there, please